Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday. And in today's video, I'm doing another Solotica unboxing video. I've done a ton of these on my channel, just trying out a bunch of Solotica products. These videos are not sponsored, however, I do have a discount code with them, and when you use my discount code, I do get a commission. But that's why I like to film these videos in front of natural lighting. I like to get up close and personal, that way you can see the lenses for yourself and determine whether or not you want to purchase them or not. I also always give you guys my 100% honest feedback. They came out with 2 new hydrocore lenses and 2 new natural color lenses. So I'm gonna try them out for you guys. I'll leave everything linked down below. And again, if you like anything, you can use the code Janelle in all caps for some money off. So they came out with 2 new natural color lenses and then 2 new hydrocore lenses. The hydrocore lenses aren't going to have a dark outer limb ball ring. It's going to be like that bright color all throughout. The natural color lenses have a darker outer ring on the outside of the iris of the eye. I honestly don't have a preference, and I feel like depending on the color, sometimes I like it with the limb ball ring, sometimes I prefer not to have it with it. You can get these lenses prescription. You can get a custom prescription for each eye. You do have to purchase the lens separately. They are, I believe, $39 each, so it is an investment, but with my code you can get 10% off of them. These lenses last for a year, and I will say that in the past, the natural color and hydrocore lenses that I have tried have looked so realistic. Whenever I used to wear them when I worked at MAC, people would like compliment my eye color thinking it was mine, and I'm like, no, these are Solotica lenses. Like I said, to me they look very natural, but I'm gonna show you guys them in natural sunlight and you guys can make your own decision. So we have 2 colors. We have the shade Cielo and Agatha, and there's a Cielo in both the hydrocore and natural color, and then Agatha in both the hydrocore and natural color lenses. So I'm gonna start with the hydrocore lenses. These are the lenses that don't have that darker outer ring. Oh, another thing I wanted to mention, they do ship from Dubai and their shipping is relatively quick. Ooh, she's cute. In the one eye versus the other eye, and then I'll show you how they look in both eyes. Let me get a little bit more in the natural sunlight so you can see better. I'm just being honest, I have tried other hydrocore lenses that to me looked a little bit more natural. These look a little like pixely, the best way I can describe it. From afar they look realistic. Something about them just isn't blending. It also could be the color. I feel like blue never looks that natural on me. So I started off with the Cielo hydrocore, so now I'm gonna try the same shade Cielo but in the natural color. Again, this is gonna have that darker outer limb ball ring. In this color, I like the natural color so much more. I feel like it just blends into my natural eye color a little bit better. I love the natural color version so much more. This actually looks natural. I've never really been a fan of how like bluish colors look on me, but this one actually looks really pretty. I really like this color. This is like one of my new faves. Now we're gonna move on to the shade Agatha. And Agatha, I'm gonna start with the hydrocore and then try the natural color Agatha. Ooh, this color looks pretty. It looks like it's gonna be like a really pretty honey brown. Oh my gosh, I love these. You can barely tell the difference, which is what I kind of love about it. Here, I'll come down here. This is Agatha hydrocore, and then this is my natural brown color. It's just like a richer, warmer, brighter brown. If you have brown eyes, this is going to be the color contact for you. If you don't want to switch up your look too much, but you just want something to brighten up and kind of like open everything up, I feel like I could throw in contacts like this with very minimal makeup and mascara, and I'm just gonna look more like bright-eyed and awake. I'm interested to see how the natural color is gonna look with that color, with the darker outer limb ball ring. They look almost identical. Again, just it has a little bit of that darker rim on the outside. Step back so you can see it better. That's my natural brown eye. This is the Agatha natural color. Again, just a little bit brighter, very subtle. Right, this is the natural color Agatha. It literally looks like my eyes. Like there's barely any difference. It's just a little bit brighter, which I kind of love. And that wraps up for this video. Very short and to the point, but I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy this video and you found it helpful, then definitely give it a thumbs up. I'll have everything linked down below, as well as my discount code, so you can save some money off your purchase. And definitely consider subscribing. I film a lot of fashion, lifestyle, and makeup content. I love you guys. I pray that you all stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.